Hi, I'm Shelby. It's me again. Well, this is my second vlog. Don't I look better? I got this flower clip today. It's so cute. Anyway, it is... Whoa, what is the date? I don't know what the date is. Oh, I've thought of it. It is March 11th on a Thursday. It is 10:35 p.m. and that is definitely not late for me, but tonight it is late for me, and I will tell you why. There's something that I need to tell you all. I'm pregnant. Got you. JK. I'm not really pregnant. That would be like insanely not possible. Seriously, there is something that I need to tell you all. This is the last night that I will have my wisdom teeth. Tomorrow morning, I am leaving this house at 8 a.m. to go get my wisdom teeth out. Oof. I'm not looking forward to it at all, and I'm really scared, you guys. It's so scary. Like, I've seen and heard so many stories about people, you know, hurting so bad that they're crying and they're screaming, and I would just hate for that to happen to me. You know? The point of this video is, I wanted to ask you guys, have you ever had experience with having your wisdom teeth out? And if you have, can you please give me words of encouragement, or at least a prayer or a thought, or an electronic hug? 'Cause I think I need one. These fruit snacks are really good, you know. Okay. Island fruit. Good. Very good. I like those. I'm like filling myself with solid foods until midnight because I want to eat all the solid foods that I can before I have to go, you know, have soup for a week. Or have like milkshakes and, you know, just gross stuff. Like, who wants to eat oatmeal every day? And who wants to eat like soup every day? I mean, seriously, if you're one of those people, you should probably eat something else so you're not like, you know, well, then you'd be like a vegetarian or something. Well, if you are a vegetarian and you eat soup every day or something like that, I'm sorry that I probably offended you, and that was really bad. I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? Okay, you probably do. So, issue over. Alright. Well, that's actually all that I wanted to talk about, and I'm just so scared, you guys. I don't want to do this. I really don't. I guess it's better to do it during spring break than to do it over summer when I'm celebrating my graduation and my 18th birthday. I really don't want wisdom teeth to ruin my celebration. That would just be the most awful thing of all time. I think this is the worst spring break I have ever had. Ever. At least I have my mom to cheer me up. She bought me things today, and that made me really happy because I'm a girl and I like to shop for clothes and accessories and scarves like this one. Yeah, I'm a girl. If you didn't know. Well, I guess it's time to sign off. I should probably get to bed. Although I might have to take a melatonin or some kind of sleeping pill or, you know, even some calming music or lullabies. Kind of old school. I tried warm milk once. It does not work. It's so disgusting. Why would anyone want to drink that? It's not even like... Ugh. It's just gross. Just gross, okay? If you're gonna drink warm milk... Okay, don't even think about drinking warm milk. Like, don't even go for the refrigerator and touch the carton of milk. Like, just don't even think. If people didn't think, we would all be monkeys. We would be hairless monkeys. Well, I'm gonna go eat some more fruit snacks. Like these. Yummy. Chew solid food. Love. I love fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks. Solid food is the best. Do the fruit snack. Do the fruit snack. Oh, do the fruit snack. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that is so tasty. Oh, yeah, I can make up my own songs on the spot. Beat that. Okay, I think I'm making a complete fool of myself and dancing and singing basically in the dark in my own room. At, 11 o'clock at night. Because, that's completely normal. Jeez. Alright, I should probably go before I continue rambling and do stuff that I didn't normally do. Didn't do normally. I'm becoming dyslexic. I'm gonna go now, bye!
Shut up!